Good afternoon. This is Mark and Sherry, John and Abby from Family Kitchen and Crafts. Today we whipped up what they call potato candy. A lot of people, they think, oh, potato candy. That doesn't even sound good. Let me tell you, it's very delicious. See, we take a bowl right here. I'll let Sherry read the directions to you. All right, go ahead, Sherry.
Take a half cup mashed potatoes, a half cup of melted salted butter, but I don't use the butter, so you don't have to.
Here's the finished product right here.
6 to 7 cups powdered sugar, plus additional
Here's
flour
the
dusting.
roll right here.
2 teaspoons vanilla, and creamy peanut butter. Then you just boil a potato, a large potato, 1 large potato, until it's soft. Of course, you dice it into chunks. And you mash it. Don't add nothing else to it. And let it cool. Then you're going to, by 1 cup at a time, you're going to add the first cup of about 6 or 7, how many ever. You'll see the stiffness and know by that. Until it's like moldable.
What is it, powdered sugar?
Yes, of powdered sugar.
Right.
Then you're going to stir in your vanilla, and then you're going to refrigerate it for about an hour. Then take it out and roll it out like you would pie dough. I'm using powdered sugar for
Right.
your
Yeah.
flour base.
Powdered sugar for your flour base right here. This is the powdered sugar here. There's a rolling pin she uses.
And then you're going to roll it out about a 1/4 inch thick. Then you're going to smooth your creamy peanut butter all over it, leaving about a 1/4 inch from the edges.
There's the peanut butter in the middle of it, right there.
Start with the longer side of your rectangle. Gently but tightly roll into a log. Use a knife to slice into pieces. If while you're rolling it, it gets a little bit soft, just put everything in the refrigerator until it firms up a little, about 10-15 minutes, and then take it out and slice it. And there you have it.
Show me. Slice that. Just quick. Slice it to she. I'll just have her slice one right there. That's about one right there. See? There's the piece right there. That's about how thick she does it right there. This beautiful. I'll tell you what, this candy is really good tasting too. Well, thanks for watching. Check out the comments for our website link.